What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to AirPixel 8K Kuala Lumpur drone film Nicaragua, first in Malaysia and Southeast Asia.
Negaraku.
Negaraku.
Yeah. I was like, Nicaragua. That's in Latin America.
Yeah. Guys, this was recommended to us quite a few times. Fez was like, we need to do this. Everybody's asking for it. So I'm excited to hop in. We've seen Kuala Lumpur quite a few times, but I love seeing it in different perspectives.
Yeah, we were kind of going to skip it just because we have seen a lot of aerial with Skyrun and stuff like that. So we didn't want to cheat.
Shout out Skyrun.
But this one's in 8K. However, we're probably not even going to watch it in 8K.
Yeah.
Let alone record it in 8K. Because none of our stuff can. I mean, I think my graphics card can handle 8K, but it wouldn't be. Because I would love to get the 12K camera. I think I can handle that.
But no, I'm excited to watch it again. I like seeing Kuala Lumpur in different perspectives. And we haven't seen AirPixel, so I'm excited to see this person's videos and see how they turn out.
If you guys want to see us do videos in 8K, we are going to need about 1,200 of y'all to hit the join button down below and pick the stage 2, and then I'll go buy the 12K Blackmagic camera, and we'll be doing this all.
Yes.
In 8K.
Then you can see our
pimples and
everything.
pores and boogers, and when we fart, there'll be like little stink
air
pockets coming up. You know, it'll be like little, the little squiggly lines with little flies flying around. Yeah.
All right, you ready to hop in?
Every imperfection. Yeah. This is actually helping my throat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I need more ice cream or shakes. Here, pause it real quick. I want to see what we are watching at.
It'll be 1080p.
If it skips a little bit, we'll go back down. But this is a 1080p monitor. What am I thinking?
That's what I'm saying.
Let's do 1440. Our internet can. I can already tell a difference. Go ahead and play. And again, we're not recording it at 1440. I just want to see it with better resolution.
I like how he's coming up from the back part of Kuala Lumpur.
That is
to see
dope.
Different perspective.
That is dope.
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's
that is awesome.
Jaw dropping. I mean, it's.
You know what I would want to do? I would be okay with. I wouldn't mind when we go to Malaysia getting a tattoo of something as far as like their skyline. I wouldn't want a big one, but like I wouldn't mind doing it somewhere because I want to, because typically you do like the city that you're from.
Right.
But I wouldn't mind getting something like that. I think that would be really cool.
Yeah.
Because that's a very unique skyline.
No, it's gorgeous.
Some skylines are very general, just whatever, but there's so many unique buildings. Like I think that's I forgot what they're calling it now, but the P&B
118.
And then you got your Petronas Towers, and this is their basically their what do they call them? Lookout tower type things. Mm-hmm. Almost every major city in the United States have one of these, and they always put a revolving restaurant.
Yeah.
Like there's one in San Antonio and there's one in Dallas, and they both have the revolving restaurant. I don't know why they do that. Like it's unique or something. Yeah, this is such a cool view. I love it. Like that's the shot. That's a good shot. And I love this building too. Where'd it go? It disappeared.
So
monorail.
Gorgeous. So much going on. I like how he's in the clouds.
Yeah. That's dope.
All these normal buildings, and there was that blue one at the top. Right there.
Yeah. What is that? Oh, that's the one that... Is that the P&B?
I can't tell.
No, it's this one over
there.
here. Have we done anything with that video?
I don't think so.
Building?
Sky Bridge. Petronas Towers are so gorgeous.
They're so cool. Look at that.
I talk about it
know
every video.
Exactly what you were going
Talk
for.
about it every video. This is what I want. If I'm not mistaken, this is where, and I think I am mistaken, but if I'm not, I think this is where, what's his name? The food guy, food ranger. I think this is where he lives.
Really?
I could be completely wrong, but it looks like the pool that he has in his videos.
Really?
Food Ranger, I'm going to tag you in there. Let me know if that's your place.
Yeah. There's the W.
And it just gets better at night.
I love how they use the white lights on the
Petronas Towers.
Petronas Towers because it looks crystal.
Yeah. All the changing lights and everything. It's just...
That's dope. Yeah.
It's like a party.
Like, look how awesome that one is over there.
Yeah.
The view tower. I forget what they call it.
Citibank. And the streets are so orange at night when you're from so high up, it's like the streets are paved in gold and like it's amazing.
Wow. What they should have done is put one building as residential only, and then the other building being business only. Because I don't think there's any residential in the...
Let us know, is there any residential suites in the Petronas Towers?
I think they've said it's all business.
That's beautiful.
That is dope. The pavilion.
It's like fish scales.
And you can tell a difference with the 1440.
Yeah.
I'm sure even if we go up to 4K or 8K, you could tell a difference. It just slams all those pixels much closer.
So beautiful. Streets of gold.
Ballin'. They must have done this like late at night.
Mm-hmm.
Or during it's like the lockdown's going on and they're just like sitting outside flying their drone around. That building even said P&B on it.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a soccer pitch?
Is that Lazy River?
That's, oh my gosh.
Whatever it is.
What is that color,
Looks
man?
beautiful.
It looks like a mana or the Fortnite shield juice.
The what?
Sorry, nerd.
In the darkest times together, we have the power to shine even more brilliantly. Malaysia, let's do this together. It seems like it had more
Let's
time.
go.
Yeah, it's still got more time. Director, Andy Tan.
Executive producer, Nick Yao.
This is really cool.
Producer, Sandra Kaur.
So this is just the end credits, I believe.
Yeah.
But it's...
Let's show them some respect and let them
get
their...
Drone pilot, drone gimbal operator,
and drone tech supervisor. I wish they would say what drone they had to shoot in 8K.
It's so cool how they lay these names out, though. Like they're attached to the buildings.
Yeah. I can do that with our editing software. It'd be weird.
Yeah.
For a video like this. But they spent some money on this.
Oh, yeah.
It even said a VFX artist. Like what they do in VFX. Oh, I guess the wording.
Yeah.
So DJI.
Canon.
What Canon is 8K? Unless that's the lens. They used an EF lens.
Poladrone. I've never heard of Poladrone.
Maybe that's the company that they work for that they used.
So gorgeous.
That's such an insane view. Here, hold on. Just do it.
It's never gonna load.
It will. We got the internet for it. We just don't have the... Like, this would work really good on the...
I don't see a huge difference. Except for the lagginess.
The jittery. You usually have to get, like, special permission to upload 8K or anything over 4K, because we can upload a 4K video, no problem.
Yeah, it's not gonna play right with the lagginess.
I wonder if they will put their equipment that they used in here. We present the first true 8K drone filmed by Film Edge, created right here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay, so we got the DJI Metric 600 Pro, DJI Metric 600, Ronin MX gimbal. Oh, they're using an R5. 8192 by 4320. I'm about to just look this up. I know.
I don't think a lot of our people are gonna know anything that you're saying right now.
I want to see.
What are you
You'd be
doing?
amazed. You'd be amazed at how many people would be interested in this. You'd be amazed because look at the size of that thing. Let me know down in the comments if you're actually into videography or cinematography, or at least aspire to be into it. I mean, that's $4,000 is not bad for a 8K full sensor video. That's what made that video capable. That's impressive.
Yeah, no, it was super beautiful.
I bet
That's the different perspective that I was talking about. That's awesome. I mean, Skyrun does amazing work, but this was just a different.
And everybody has different styles,
Right.
you know. I mean, this is just their style. I mean, just like our videos.
Mm-hmm.
I know our videos are very basic, but you could look up a million reaction videos and there'll be a million different styles.
Yeah.
So, I mean, let us know if you actually like our style. So, with that, if you're still watching now, you better hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
And with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Faz.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.